I've been known to ask odd questions sometimes, and I really couldn't help myself from doing just that when I met Jiminy Cricket recently at a DVC Moonlight magic event in Animal Kingdom. I know he's a very rare character to meet, so I figured it might be my only opportunity to ask him the question that comes to mind whenever I hear anyone say his name. Stay tuned to find out what I was so curious about, and see his response to an inquiry I'm fairly confident he's never addressed before. Meeting Mr. Cricket was one of many fun surprises at the DVC party I attended and loved. If you're heading to a Moonlight Magic event, or you're curious what they're all about, check out our blog post for a rundown of what to expect, a review of event highlights, and critically, our best advice to help you maximize your time at the party. Also, be certain to subscribe to our channel and watch our DVC Moonlight Magic tips and tricks video to help you get the most out of these incredible experiences. Now, let's get to the cricket in the top hat. Hello, how are you? You're great, fantastic. So I'm from the Midwest, and people in the Midwest say a lot of things so they don't swear. Like they say, oh gosh, and they say darn, and they say shoot, and things like that. But one thing that I find funny is they say, oh, Jiminy Cricket, instead of a swear word. And I always thought that was funny. How do you feel about that?
I mean, at least let their conscience be their guide, right, Jiminy Cricket?
There you go.
They're always thinking ahead.
That works. So, I mean, they're not doing something bad. They're referencing you and using a good conscience. So it's a good thing. Very nice. Nice. Can we get a picture? That Jiminy Cricket's an entertaining one. I love that he gestured that his mind was blown when I asked him about the use of his name, while the character attendant interjected with his famous line about letting your conscience be your guide. Both responses work. I'm just partial to the mind-blown one. It's funnier and a rather current reaction for an 80-year-old character. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching and being a part of this community. We love having you here, and we can't wait to share more magic with you soon. Until then, remember to hug your loved ones, cherish the memories, and always continue seeking the magical.